Hello everyone, welcome back to the GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset Microsoft Store in Windows 11 and Windows 10 without deleting your installed apps or games. If your Microsoft Store is not opening, stuck on loading, or not downloading anything, this simple method will fix it in less than 1 minute. And the best part, you don't need any software. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open run box. Here you need to type wsreset.exe. I will also put this one command in this one video description. After this one typing, click on the OK button. Now command prompt will automatically open and clear the cache of Microsoft Store, and after that Microsoft Store will open on your Windows PC. Now you can try to download any software or games from Microsoft Store. It should start working normally as it was working before. That's all about this video. Bye.